A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark case that reshaped the landscape of broadcast media and First Amendment rights, the Supreme Court's decision in Red Lion Broadcasting Company v. Federal Communications Commission in 1969 continues to resonate in today's discussions on free speech and media regulation. This case arose from a 15-minute broadcast by Reverend Billy James Hargis, which aired on WGCB as part of the Christian Crusade series. The broadcast was controversial, prompting a complaint from a competing radio station, which argued that it was unfairly disadvantaged by the lack of equal airtime for opposing views. This situation set the stage for a significant legal battle that would address the balance between free speech and the fairness doctrine enforced by the FCC. The Fairness Doctrine, established in 1949, required broadcasters to present contrasting viewpoints on controversial issues. Its goal was to ensure that the public received a balanced perspective, particularly in a time when television and radio were becoming the primary sources of news. However, this doctrine faced criticism from various quarters, including those who argued that it infringed on the rights of broadcasters to choose their programming. The legal question at the heart of Red Lion was whether the Fairness Doctrine violated the First Amendment rights of broadcasters. The Supreme Court, in a 7-0 decision, upheld the FCC's authority to enforce the Fairness Doctrine, stating that the government has a substantial interest in ensuring that the public is informed on matters of public importance. The court reasoned that the airwaves are a limited public resource, and thus the government has the right to impose regulations to ensure fairness and balance in broadcasting. This ruling set a precedent for media regulation and sparked debates that continue to this day. Supporters of the decision argue that it promotes a healthy democracy by ensuring that all voices are heard, while critics contend that it stifles free speech and editorial discretion. The case also highlighted the evolving nature of media and the challenges of regulating content in a rapidly changing technological landscape. Fast forward to today, and the implications of Red Lion are more relevant than ever. With the advent of social media and digital platforms, the concept of fairness in broadcasting has taken on new dimensions. The rise of platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube has democratized content creation, allowing anyone with internet access to share their views. However, this has also led to concerns about misinformation, echo chambers, and the responsibility of platforms to moderate content. As we navigate the complexities of modern media, the lessons from Red Lion remain pertinent. The balance between free speech and responsible broadcasting continues to be a contentious issue, with ongoing debates about the role of government regulation versus the rights of individuals and organizations to express their opinions. The Fairness Doctrine may no longer be in effect, but the principles it embodied still challenge us to consider how we can ensure a marketplace of ideas that is both free and fair. In conclusion, the legacy of Red Lion Broadcasting Company v. FCC serves as a critical reminder of the ongoing struggle to balance the rights of broadcasters with the public's right to diverse viewpoints. As we reflect on this case, it is essential to engage in discussions about the future of media regulation and the protection of free speech in an era defined by rapid technological advancement and changing societal norms. The decisions we make today will shape the media landscape for generations to come. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.